Tim here, WISCO MTB. Anyway, you can see behind me here, we've got a whole bunch of berms. This is prime real estate for berms here at Cuyuna. This is called Bobsled, and Corey's about ready to show you why. Corey and I are excited to return to Cuyuna. Having been here, we had a better idea of what to expect. This time around, we stayed in Crosby at Red Rider Campground, campsite number 10, which we highly recommend if you don't mind the hike. It's well worth the view, and this trail leads directly from our campsite to the parking lot of the Yawkey unit. As the central hub, all trails begin and end relatively close to the parking lot, which is great for the family or for riders of different skill levels. Only a parking pass is required to take advantage of the Yawkey unit.
Bobsled. We redid bobsled last year to go the other way now.
One of our favorite qualities of Cuyuna is the flow. You just never feel like you're working. Build up a little momentum and it carries you through, like a red dirt roller coaster. Here we turn up the trail to climb to the top of Bobsled. The climbs in Cuyuna could be nasty if it weren't for the expert trail design. Whether you're on bobsled, winds, or Sandhog Mountain, there are always moments to get your legs back and catch your breath, which I especially appreciate.
Oh.
Look at this bad mountain bike etiquette. Everybody, just watch. So right now I'm at the top of Bobsled and about to begin the downhill, and you'll see why it gets its name. It's just nothing but berm into berm into berm. It's a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. If you ever get a chance to come out here to Cuyuna, highly recommend the Bobsled. Okay, here we go.
That's a lot of fun. Yeah. Gosh, that is fun. All right, so where do we walk it back up at?
Okay, so we didn't hike a bike. We did, however, make quick work of the back part of Bobsled. This trail's perfect to hammer through.
That was close.
It's great to be out riding again. I'm Tim with WiscoMTB. Thanks for watching. And if you like this content, like and subscribe. In addition to Bobsled, we'll be taking a look at other trails like Sandhog Mountain and Galloping Goose. We're excited to share our return to mountain biking and hopefully to bring a few of you along for the ride.